All right, I'm just going to say it. Passive income is kind of a lie. Not completely, but definitely not the way people on the internet make it sound. You've probably seen those videos, right? People saying stuff like, "I made money while sleeping," or "I made $10,000 in a week doing nothing." And yeah, it sounds amazing. But what they don't show you is what happened before that. Here's the truth. There's no such thing as making money from nothing. Every single passive income stream comes from one of two things. You either put in time first, or you put in money first. Sometimes both. Like take YouTube, for example. People say it's passive income, but no one talks about the months or even years of making videos that barely get any views. Or investing. Yeah, it's passive, but only if you already have money to invest. Or online businesses. People make it look easy, but behind the scenes, it's constant work in the beginning. So it's not really passive. It's more like delayed effort. And honestly, this is where most people get stuck. They think they're doing something wrong because they're not making money instantly. So they jump from one idea to another, trying dropshipping one week, crypto the next, then something else. But the problem isn't them, it's the expectation. The real goal shouldn't be passive income right away. It should be building something that eventually pays you without needing your time every day. That's a big difference. Because in the beginning, nothing is passive. So yeah, passive income isn't fake, but it's definitely not instant. If it looks too easy, it's probably not real. But if you're willing to put in the work first, that's when it actually starts to feel passive later.